The 2025 BMW M4 is here, and it's more powerful, aggressive, and refined than ever. This high-performance coupe continues to set new standards in the sports car segment with its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating driving dynamics. Under the hood, the new M4 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine that delivers an impressive 523 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest M cars ever built. BMW offers both rear-wheel drive and its advanced MX Drive all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional traction and handling on all surfaces. Enthusiasts will also be thrilled to know that a 6-speed manual transmission is still available for those who prefer an engaging, hands-on driving experience. The exterior design of the 2025 M4 is even more aggressive than its predecessor. The signature kidney grille has been refined for better aerodynamics while maintaining its bold presence. The redesigned front bumper, wider air intakes, and sharper LED headlights enhance the car's dynamic stance. Carbon fiber elements on the roof, side mirrors, and rear diffuser reduce weight and improve downforce, ensuring maximum performance at high speeds. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design. The new 14.9-inch curved infotainment display, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, runs BMW's latest iDrive system. It features an intuitive interface, voice command support, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The interior is adorned with premium leather sports seats, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber trims, giving the car a high-tech and premium feel. When it comes to performance, the 2025 BMW M4 is an absolute beast on the road and the track. The adaptive M suspension, precise steering, and electronically controlled limited-slip differential ensure maximum grip and control in every corner. The M-mode settings allow drivers to fine-tune the car's response, adjusting throttle sensitivity, suspension stiffness, and steering weight for the ultimate driving experience. BMW has also introduced new driving assists, including an improved adaptive cruise control system, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. Safety is a top priority, and the latest M4 is equipped with multiple airbags, a reinforced chassis, and cutting-edge stability control systems to keep the driver and passengers protected. One of the most exciting aspects of the new M4 is its enhanced exhaust system, delivering an even more aggressive and exhilarating sound. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the deep, throaty exhaust note ensures a thrilling experience. With its combination of extreme power, stunning design, and next-level technology, the 2025 BMW M4 is a dream machine for any car enthusiast. Whether you're looking for a track-ready performance car or a stylish grand tourer, this new M4 delivers on all fronts. So, what do you think about the new BMW M4? Let us know in the comments below. The 2025 BMW M4 isn't just about speed, it's about precision engineering and an unmatched driving experience. BMW's M division has fine-tuned every aspect of this machine to ensure that it delivers raw power with absolute control. One of the biggest highlights of the new M4 is the upgraded chassis and suspension system. The adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled dampers provides an ideal balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking sharp corners on a racetrack, the M4 adapts seamlessly to deliver a thrilling yet composed ride. The M Servotronic steering system ensures that every input is met with razor-sharp accuracy, making this car a true driver's delight. For those who crave an even more extreme experience, BMW is offering an optional M Carbon bucket seat package. These lightweight, racing-inspired seats provide superior support and comfort, keeping you firmly planted during aggressive driving maneuvers. The weight savings also contribute to better handling and acceleration, making every drive more engaging. The exterior aerodynamics have also been fine-tuned for better performance. The newly designed front splitter, side skirts, and rear wing help generate downforce, keeping the M4 stable even at high speeds. The carbon fiber elements not only enhance the car's aggressive look but also improve efficiency by reducing weight. The redesigned 19-inch front and 20-inch rear forged alloy wheels further improve grip and handling dynamics, ensuring maximum performance on any road surface. Under the hood, the engine isn't just more powerful, it's also more efficient. Thanks to BMW's advanced engineering, the twin-turbocharged inline-six engine delivers peak power without sacrificing fuel efficiency. The addition of a 48V mild hybrid system enhances throttle response and improves overall driving dynamics. The result is a car that feels incredibly responsive in all driving conditions. Another key feature of the 2025 BMW M4 is the M-Drift Analyzer. This system allows drivers to track their drift angle, duration, and speed, making it perfect for enthusiasts who want to push their skills to the next level. The M traction control system provides 10 different settings, allowing drivers to adjust the amount of wheel slip for different road and track conditions. BMW has also improved the braking system, equipping the M4 with high-performance M compound brakes. These provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance, ensuring that the car remains stable and controlled even during high-speed braking. For those who demand even more, BMW offers optional M-carbon ceramic brakes, which deliver race car-level performance while reducing unsprung weight for better handling. The M4 isn't just about performance, it's also packed with the latest technology. The updated BMW iDrive 8.5 infotainment system features improved voice recognition, cloud-based navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. The new head-up display provides real-time performance data, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road while staying informed about their speed, revs, and gear selection. In terms of connectivity, the 2025 M4 offers 5G compatibility, allowing for faster updates and real-time traffic information. The BMW